Extreme adversity befell Udayarathne early in life. In a tragic accident, he suffered horrific burns. His injuries were extensive and his recovery protracted and traumatic. He was only 10 years old at the time. Sadly, Udayarathne was badly disfigured, and while his physical wounds eventually healed, his emotional scars did not, as he found himself ostracized due to his appearance. He found it impossible to obtain employment, but he did not lose hope. He was determined to overcome his adversity. He wanted to earn a livelihood to be able to support his parents later in life. Udayarathne realized that his only hope of earning a livelihood was to set up his own business. He wanted to start a small bicycle repair shop, but he did not have sufficient resources to purchase the required tools of the trade. Udayarathne approached the MJF Foundation for assistance, which was readily given. Now, Udayarathne runs a flourishing business. From his earnings, he has built a home for himself and his parents.
මේ රස්තාව කරන නිසා මම හරියට රස්තාව කරනවා ඒ කට්ටිය සල්ලි නැතත් මම ඒ සල්ලි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ ඒ කට්ටිය.
Moreover, many of his loyal customers now are those that had earlier rejected him. His healing is complete.